Welcome to your dream home in the highly sought-after Churchill Downs community. This stunning two-story property boasts 5 spacious bedrooms and 3 immaculate bathrooms, providing ample space for you and your family to live, work, and play. As you step inside, you'll be immediately impressed by the beautiful laminate wood flooring that flows seamlessly throughout the home. The kitchen is a chef's dream come true, featuring gorgeous granite countertops and updated appliances that will inspire your culinary creativity. Plus, with a 3-car garage, you'll have plenty of space for all your vehicles and storage needs. The open and airy floor plan makes entertaining a breeze, with plenty of room for everyone to gather and make memories. Step outside and you'll be greeted by your own private oasis. The custom-built pool and waterfall is the perfect place to unwind and relax after a long day. And with a 3-kilowatt solar panel system installed in 2017, you can enjoy a more sustainable and energy-efficient lifestyle. The system is even paid in full. Located right next to the highly acclaimed community of Silver Springs and Wild Hawk Golf Course, you'll have access to world-class amenities just moments from your front door. This home truly has it all. Don't miss your chance to make it yours today.
Sacramento.